What's up, everybody? Justin from Launch Kits. Launch Kits family, we've been waiting to make this announcement, all right? We are partnering with Groundwork, okay? What is Groundwork? Well, you're about to meet my friend Jeff, the owner of Groundwork. Check out this tool that they've made. You can get instant virtual quotes directly from your phone, directly to customers from your website to a customer on projects. If you're a landscaper, a painter, a power washer, you do decks, patios. If you're in home services, if you do, I was writing down ideas, garage flooring companies, patio installation, backyard fencing companies, hardscapers, lawnmowers. Listen, this really cool tool you're about to see and hear about, we are making available exclusively to Launch Kit members through a partnership. Your code is LaunchKits30. The first 30 people get 30 days free trying this tool, and then 10% off your membership with Groundwork. There's no bone in it for us, man. This is all about giving you the best tools so you can convert visitors from your website into leads and close sales virtually with this tool. Check out what Jeff has to say.
What's going on, everybody? It is Jeff with Groundwork. We are happy to be partnering with Justin at Launch Kits to give you a unique way to start to engage the leads that come through your Launch Kits website. We have a way for you to collect video project walkthroughs from homeowners so you can really systemize and streamline your sales process. Make sure you're running appointments that are worthwhile and potentially even sell your services 100% virtually. So check us out. Click on the link just to provide you, and we look forward to chatting with you. First 30 slots, get a free 30 days with Groundwork, and then we have an extended discount through the partnership with Launch Kits as well. Hope to chat with you soon. Thanks.
All right, Jeff, that sounds awesome. Again, as a reminder, LaunchKits30 is the code at checkout. The first 30 people, all right, you got to understand, there's over 800 people that are getting this announcement right now. The first 30 people, you're going to get 30 days free and then 10% off. Thanks, Jeff, for the partnership. I can't wait to see this tool working for our entrepreneurs. And that's what Launch Kits is about, man. Bringing you the best tools so you can convert better than everybody else. Let's go.